tất nhiên. Dưới đây là bản viết lại bài báo của bạn theo phong cách văn xuôi, trôi chảy mà vẫn rõ ràng, nghiêm trang. Hash, How to Study Smarter, Not Harder, the ultimate guide for better retention. Everyone finds distractions more interesting than their textbook. The moment you sit down to study, your phone starts lighting up, a new video drops, or a snack suddenly feels more urgent. This is a universal challenge, but there's a way forward. Research shows that up to 90% of students study the wrong way by simply rereading notes or adding highlight after highlight, methods that are not effective for retention or understanding. Fortunately, there's a way to study faster, remember more, and still enjoy your free time. The first step is tricking your brain. Our brains are lazy, a phenomenon called Parkinson's law, meaning we will stretch a task to fill whatever time we allot for it. Instead of letting a study block consume hours, we should set short sessions, for example, 20-minute intervals, and write down clear goals for each, whether it's biology's cell division or a math formula. This eases resistance and prepares us for a realistic, manageable challenge. We should also apply the Pareto principle, which states that 20% of the content brings 80% of the results. So identify what's most important. Practice exams, teachers' hints, or key chapters, and focus your efforts there. Once you know something, move forward. Work smarter, not harder. One powerful tactic for understanding and retaining information is the Feynman technique, explaining the topic as if you were teaching a 5-year-old. This lets you identify weak points in your understanding, and by simplifying until you truly get it, you consolidate your knowledge much more effectively. Using a timer is another way to maximize focus and avoid overwhelm. Set a timer for 30-minute study sprints, then take a short 5-minute break afterwards. Repeat. This prevents mental burnout. A helpful trick is using the Forest app, which lets you grow a virtual tree while you focus, adding a game-like twist to aid motivation. Instead of passively rereading, active recall helps retain information much faster. Close your book and recall main points, or use flashcards or the blurting technique. Write everything you remember. This strengthens retention much more than passive reading. Sleep and exercise are powerful allies for your brain. Your brain consolidates memories during sleep, at least 7 to 8 hours per night, while physical activity, even a short walk, helps with retention and memory processing. Ultimately, the best study strategy isn't just cramming, it's processing information effectively. Get enough rest, move your body, and apply these strategies for greater retention. To summarize, set short study sessions, prioritize key content with Pareto's principle, stay focused with a timer, explain concepts to yourself, test your recall, and take care of your brain through proper rest and exercise. And remember, knowledge isn't power. Applying knowledge is power. So study smarter, not harder. Nếu bạn muốn, tôi cũng có thể dịch sang tiếng Việt hoặc thêm những ví dụ thực tế. Hãy cho tôi biết nếu bạn muốn thêm.